I moved $80 to my account out of 20 that are missing. I made 120 today this month, which is pretty good. Guess how much money I made in the stock market today? At like 135. I mean, 235, 215. Jerome Powell said something, and I was already deep in a short. I started a single day put, 0 day to expiration put with like maybe 76, 70, maybe point 80 delta. It was already pretty high. It was over $500. And I was using the 30 minute. Why? Because there's a pattern on the 30 minute that if it's based on resistance, it's going to make a high intraday or maybe high in the morning. And after it makes the high, the whole day is going to be down. Basically, you take the bias from the daily, which has lots of up and downs. You look at a 30, you see the high. And after you see the high and you get a time series confirmation from the 30th to the 4 hour that is red, you start shorting. So that's what I did today. I was like, oh, daily high, green, green, yellow. Oh, I had to edit the time series code to work as intended because I was getting mix it. Someone messed it up at Charles Schwab today, so I had to edit it to ensure it works correctly. There's two mixed signals now. Basically, equal amount of red and green is mixed, and gray is mixed. So I also distanced the plots. So when it's all red, it's gonna show as all red and gray. You know, two plots to say the same thing, and it worked today pretty good. So Jerome Powell spoke. I was doing my work, daily work, making $7, $10 that I did today. Withdrew it. All the missing payments came through. All that's left are new payments. A refund that I got yesterday for $10. Another $10 for the same company that I withdrew today. And on the IRA, I made $266 with some odd cents. It dropped from maybe 570 to 68, 568. And I caught it. And it said 10-day high on it. I'm like, oh my God, 10-day high, holy shit. So then I tried going along on the IRA, but I was out of liquidity. So I was sort of debating doing a weekly. Like, yeah, this is the 10-day low. This is the area where you make a long trade. Nah, 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 let me do this. Let's do a weekly. So I took October, I looked for the October 7th long call on the margin account. I pressed it. It immediately moved up to 572, and I closed that one too, and I made $88 on the market. So pretty good. It was a pretty good day. Fairly decent day. Fairly decent day today. Then I withdrew 80, put 80 in my bank account. I'm having only milk today, cereal and milk today, just to control myself till the money starts piling up because I gotta buy next month. Next month is $100 pull based on the 30th of the next month. It's going to be $100 pull with the PO box. So that long of a pull needs, like I said before, a substantial cash balance. I'm barely into bench line, into the flat line. On the 3rd of October, I should be above by $100 on the flat line. So the month of October, I gotta square out the October 31st payment, not buy anything in October. Hopefully the temperature doesn't drop too much that I freeze to death in October. And the first payment of November, the first large payment of November, if I continue controlling my diet, I don't know, my mouth, that's my only problem. I don't travel on the subway. My problem is eating. I eat too much. So if I continue having a grip of what I'm eating on the daily, um, I'll get by the first week of November, the winter clothes. Get the jacket, get the thermals, get the down pant, the goose down pant, or inside this, get the mittens, get the baklava for the neck, basically the the waffle top for the head. Like a waffle top for the head, another hood for the neck to have two layers in the head. Missing a mask. I need a mask because I need to wear a mask. I need to protect my face from frostbite. So I need to wear a ski mask in the winter and the socks. It's about 120. Depending if prices haven't changed, it wasn't that much. It was like 120, but I have to start getting items in, and I have to do laundry because I'm down to one shirt. So I showered Friday, so there's about 150, 160 that are about to disappear in my bank account, and at best I'm gonna be $100 in in surplus by October 3rd. So I need a little more. I always need a little more, and the goal is making a new $1,000. I'm really close to another $1,000 saved. So doing what I'm doing now is slowly reaching that next thousand and then making it a benchmark. But it's also partly based off crypto, so I can't really have. There's no way to have self control on crypto or control it based on its movement. Supposedly they say it's gonna go to 85, but who cares? I don't care if it goes up or goes down. I care about keeping the crypto that I have. And if it does go to 85, ooh, 86 max, ooh, it'd be really nice. It'd be a really nice rally. It'd be something, it'd be pretty interesting. What's not good is that I don't have a dividend port like I should based on hard to borrow, based on people that know what they're doing and they are actively shorting my selected perfect correlation portfolio. Fuck is stupid, man. That's exactly why I left Wall Street Bets. Because they're millionaire cocksuckers. They know your position, they want to short it. I'm giving you the simple example. I got a way out the money long call, or put, I think it was a call, way out the money long call with low volume. It started fluctuating in price so bad, and I didn't know what was happening. As I investigated, the volume on that single out the money call got up to 800, and it was the only one in the middle of the ocean that was that big on that price. You know what I mean? So if they know your position, they're gonna have 1,000 people buy your shit. And worse if it's cheap, you gotta have supreme volume. If you tell anything to Wall Street Bets, and depending on conditions, it's always gonna be against you. So basically, one person in Wall Street Bets could be the entire short float of a company based on how rich they are. They're really wealthy people in there, just looking to act like if they have control of the stock market together. That's why I left because they didn't like me because I was making money against what they were doing. All I got was hate, and today I would have gotten hate because I made 26% on a trade, 27% on a trade in one day. Not like in a month, not 27% on a day. And other days is worse. This is just testing the water, one contract, two contract. Today was one contract, two contract to the upside. That day with intrinsic value, it was 19% with 40 contracts. See what I mean? I'm making their plays. I'm making almost what they risk. And that triggered them. They didn't want me there. Like, oh, you're homeless, oh, this and that, oh, blah, blah, blah. Fucking retarded people. Interrupting retarded ass people. So I left and I'm making my own shit now. I don't waste my time looking at a Discord knowing that it's just hate. They could successfully suck my dick. I got tired. Like, I gave it, I don't know, how many times did I take that bullshit from them? Maybe two, three times. The third time it's done. The second day, the last time was that sealed the deal. The mods were in the favor of people that were basically ruining the interactions with the chat with stupid snap commands. They decided to give me a kick, not a ban. A kick I come back, I'm trying to post that 19%, that $1,400 trade in one day. And I couldn't post it, and I got mad as fuck, and I left because I'm not gonna be I'm not gonna be in a Discord group of people that don't like me, of people that just want to copy trade you. They want to copy trade you and inverse you. Why? Because you're just retarded gamblers. It's retarded gamblers. And what I'm doing is fairly good. Time series works pretty well. Lets me know. It just lets me know. Today it was like, maybe I would have not made profit, but I probably would have had to wait till end of day to make profit because I was headed to make profit anyway. That's how it felt. High was too high to be there. Low was too low to be there. It was already going downtrend. Time series turned all red before J Powell started talking at 2 o'clock. They were red. I was already in a trade on a 0 day to expiration put contract before J Powell would, said that November we might need 25 BPS or whatever, that labor is cooling down, that the workforce is cooling down and we need it hot. That triggered the sell off. Basically, the last thing that he said fucking tanked that motherfucking market like nothing. Just that man's tongue, the snake, said something, bang. Immediately, the market tanked $3. So that's it. Definitely a good day. Having a good day, having self control, having some milk, having some bathroom visits tonight. Hopefully early, because yesterday I had milk too. Probably around this area too. I think it was a little earlier. And I didn't have to go to the bathroom until about like 9:40 something at night. So hopefully it happens early. I have to go to the bathroom maybe at 7, 8 o'clock based on the milk, and I should be fine. And more trades are coming. More trades are coming. I would like to square up my dividend point. I really would. But hard to borrow. Having millions of people against the company, even though it's going up, because both of them are going up really high. They're already out of my range. They're already out of my. I can't invest $1,000 in them because I know the benefit is not. The benefit is not going to be that great. It's just some money to have, some extra money, a few extra dollars to grow, so that the port grows a certain amount of percent every month, other than January. That's how I built it. The companies that I still need to buy to complete if the market would have tanked before all of this happened this year was dividends every month for January. But with the companies that I selected going up higher and higher, $5 higher and shit, it's impossible. I'm not going to buy that because I need to buy 30 of them, 35 of them. I'm not going to buy 35 of them over budget. $5 extra per each. It's just out the question. And I'm risking myself. I'm in a good position to make profit, and if I buy now, I'm at a risk of them going back to where they were before. So that's why those strong rules have to be in place, and it has to be at break even of the first trade. I got this close. I was like 30 cents short the rebuy before everything went up $5. So I'm out of luck from that. That's about it. Nothing else to do